Chad here, Smoky George Cafe Barbecue, y'all. YouTube channel. George on the wall back there. And it is that time again. It's whole hog time, y'all. And here it is. We shall call him Little Jerry Swinefeld. Ready for the Saturday cook. Got him hanging out in the ice. So, I'll let chill in there for today and tonight, and then in the morning, which will be Friday morning. I don't know when you're watching this, but it will be Friday when I do this. Friday morning, we'll start the brine, and we will throw him on there on the smoker on BBH out there. Saturday morning, whole hog, Smoky George Cafe barbecue channel style. Y'all stay tuned. What up, everybody? It is the next morning, Friday morning. As for me, who knows when y'all are watching this. I've had the hog in this cooler down here all night, and some ice and some water, and even threw a little salt in there just because. But I'm fixing to get it out, give it a good washing, get any dirt or anything that's on the hog off of it, and then get the cooler poured out, cleaned out, get it back into a good clean cooler, and then we will start the official brine, if you will, the water and the salt and all the other stuff that I'm going to put in the brine. So all right, let me get this hog out. I got a table set up over here as far as my water hose will reach, so let me get this hog out up on the table, and I'll get this thing washed up, and I'll see y'all when I've got it washed up and clean and ready to go back into the cooler. Okay, y'all, got him cleaned up, and we are in the brine. Here's what we're looking like. All right, let me get this up a little. All right, there we are. Our little piggy is brining. Got all kinds of goodies in that brine. I think I'll throw another bag of ice on there just before I leave for work. But yep, our little piggy's brining, getting ready for the big show tomorrow. So I'm gonna brine it overnight, well, all day today and overnight, and early in the morning get this cook started. All right, see y'all when it's time to season the hog tomorrow. Tomorrow for me, coming up as you're watching this. Good morning, everybody. It is officially hog day. It's early, and I'm fresh out of the shower, but I'm ready to get this hog going. I gotta get it out of the brine, get it laid out flat, dried off, seasoned, all that stuff. So I'll see y'all when it's time to season up the hog, y'all. Let's go. All right, y'all, I've been hard at it this morning. I've got it laid out flat, busted up the sternum in there, got it laid out flat. I've got a fan kind of helping dry the skin. I got some salt on there to help it dry the skin, and when the skin gets a little bit drier, I'm gonna flip it over and season it, and then flip it back over, get the skin a little bit drier, and then we're gonna put it on the pit. Got the pit fired up out there, so that's where we're at. Little Jerry Swinefeld, y'all. All right, see y'all in a little bit. And little Jerry Swinefeld is all seasoned up. Fixing to flip him back over, get the skin good and dry, and flip him over again, get him on the pit. And with the assistance of the Silverado, got the pig on there. There he is, little Jerry Swinefeld bathing in the smoke. All right, now for the long part. All right, y'all, we've been on an hour. If you can see, rolling some nice smoke. I'm keeping the cooker probably on average, it's around 225 across the grate where the hog is. So just rolling right along. Like I said, about an hour. So what, 10, 11 more to go, I guess. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on a check-in whenever that'll be. Gonna be a while, but see y'all on check-in. We are 3 hours in, and we rotated the hog. As you can see, we rotated them. We was getting a little bit further ahead up here than we were down here, and these hams are a good bit bigger than the shoulder anyway. So we rotated them, but cooking right along, looking good, y'all. So maybe what, 7, 8 more hours, I guess. And I'm sure we'll rotate again at after another couple hours or so. But we whole hogging it with little Jerry Swinefield, y'all. All right, see y'all on the next check-in. All right, y'all, it's a 4-hour check-in, and as requested by some gentleman on Twitter, we got little Jerry Swinefield. There's the baseline. Looking good. We've wrapped the hams, kind of protect the skin and whatnot on there. But y'all check that out. Look how juicy that sucker's gonna be. Yeah. All right, another 4 to 5 hours maybe.
I'd say.
Something like that.
I'm probably gonna brush. About an hour, I'll probably get a brush and kind of coat that sauce around.
Yep. Start moving them juices around in about an hour or so. All right, y'all. See you on the next check-in. I am 5 hours and 15 minutes in on this cook. I'm 149 in the shoulder and 144 in the hams. So we're rolling right along. However, rain's on the way. So, but let me give y'all a little look-see of what this sucker's looking like. It's looking good, y'all. There it is. Look how gorgeous that's looking. Look at that juice coming out of that thing. That's a whole hog, y'all. That is a whole hog. All right, maybe I'll avoid the rain. The rain's definitely coming. Gonna have to keep the wood dry, stoke the fire in and out there in the rain, but we're gonna get this hog done, y'all. It's coming along. It's coming along. And it's raining. All right, this will be a challenge. Keeping this sucker going. Moved all the wood inside, keep it dry. So it's gonna have to watch it. All right, hopefully the rain passes soon.
Changer.
And there it is, y'all. Whole hog. Lounge. Pull your hunk off there.
Cheek meat.
Yeah, get some of them jowls.
Well, let this cool off. Grab his dick and twist it.
Oh, let's set these knives down.
Put it over there too.
That's a success. That's 2 years in a row.
All right. This would be what, loin meat right here?
Yeah, that's, you're getting to the loin right there.
Ooh, that's hot.
Yeah.
Get some loin. Ooh.
Okay, this might be a dumb question. But
Damn, that is hot.
you know what I mean?
That's hot.
Crackle. Pull that bone off. Yeah, but I want to crackle.
Mmm. Oh.
Huh.
The loin meat is fire, y'all.
Pork
That right-
skin. Crackle.
That right there is fire. That's some loin meat.
Oh!
Get some skin.
But I had a big taste of like chicken.
That's why we do it.
Is it good? Buns or something?
That's good, y'all. That loin was good.
I I don't even know what he does online, but apparently
That loin, the loin meat's good. I don't know about the rest of it.
Sammy made sure you were asleep before he made a video of the house.
You just wonder where the chicken comes from.
yeah.
All right, we got the
He said, let me make
hams back here.
Group, but he's like, I was confused.
A little bit of rib meat.
He was like,
Jowl meat.
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
wait
try
till
some
we-
jowl
I'm
meat.
letting it cool off. That was awesome.
Let me try some of this jowl meat.
Round is just ripping into it.
All right,
Bones
that-
up get the bones out. I hit the
There's
bones.
the jowl meat.
It's cheek meat time.
Do you want me to get you another glove?
Oh my gosh.
The hot part, the hot part of the gloves, it don't matter.
It pulled apart. It's so hot. 3rd-degree burn.
These
Grab
things
it.
ain't worth crap.
Chicken thing, kitchen hands. That's just the price you pay.
Ooh.
Ooh,
that's
right
hot.
there.
I told y'all.
She put it in there.
Get it.
I know what it tastes like.
That's you. That's good.
Oh man.
Yeah.
The jowl meat's good,
Hell, I'm giving that to
and it's 7,000 degrees.
It's 8 million degrees, but I'll eat it.
I thought it would have been like 171 or 172.
Whoa.
It's hot.
All right, let me get another loin.
That's
More loin meat right there. I'm gonna cheat. Get the loin meat.
Not a big point.
Already had it, but that's good.
Yeah.
Want some more jowl meat?
That is a good looking piece of meat right there.
Mm.
Yeah.
I don't like on the sheet.
Loin meat's good. Okay. Here's the skin, y'all, off the jowl. Y'all hear that? Hard to do it with one hand. All right, take a bite.
You want me to go get you one of those sweat rags?
No.
No, the
Let me take a bite.
things you wear at Disney. You got crap all over your phone.
That was the wife, y'all.
Oh, yeah, go away. Well, put me on there.
Mm.
Well, that's
Hello.
way too close. Stop.
That was the wife. Man, that's good. That skin is crispy as crap. Mm.
You did a good job,
A fire. And y'all, that's the result of a good pig picking. Look at that juice dripping off of there. Tell me that ain't good. Gunner got his pocket knife out. Just grab him a little piece. He don't need a pocket knife. I need a spoon or some fingers and grab that. That is good, y'all. We nailed the skin this year. Gotta admit, we nailed the skin. But that's a good pig picking, y'all. Yeah. All right, y'all, we got the aftermath of the hog cook here. I'm hoping I had enough to edit together for a finished product. Man, everybody was here, and when we pulled that sucker off, it was time to do some pig picking, and it was good. Anyway, it's been Chad with the Smoky Jorts Cafe Barbecue YouTube channel. This was my 2nd annual whole hog cook. Y'all didn't get to see the first one because I didn't have a YouTube channel then, but you'll get to see the 3rd one, and hopefully by then I'm better at this videography thing. So anyway, see y'all on the next one. Whenever that is, I don't know, but all right, y'all. See y'all on the next one.